back to my channel. Sorry about the echo. Sorry about the where I'm sitting, but honestly, still under construction. It's crazy. I feel like I'm really echoey right now. I have been wanting to learn how to fly a drone from a really long time ago. The only thing is that I suck even at video games, so I'm like, I'm gonna destroy any drone that I get. I was like super discouraged, but then I was like, you know what, maybe I can buy a kind of inexpensive one to try and to learn and all of this stuff. So I ordered it from Amazon. It's a $20 drone. Until I can figure this out, I didn't want to spend a ton of money. Here we have the little drone. I'm excited about it and I've been dying to open it, but I didn't want to open it without, you know, filming it and giving it my unboxing review. Ooh! All right, here we have it. D63 Drone Runner. Yeah. It is tiny, easy to fly. Let's see, indoor, outdoor, USB charger included. Will bounce off walls, crash resistant, A batteries required, not included. 4 AA batteries. I can have AA batteries. Please hold. All right, note to anyone ordering this, it does not have the batteries included. Let's open it up. Okay. You know, to be fair, it might not even be the drone's fault if it's not good because I don't know at all what I'm doing. Here it is. It's so tiny. It seems so delicate. Do I just pull them out? No, I don't. It gets a lot more complicated. Little zip ties. Let's hope I don't break it before I even use it. Okay, that was a little stressful. So here we have it. Oh wait, I have it upside down. Okay, I guess it is gonna continue flipping, but there are the little propellers. And now we have the control. Oh, how big does this have to be? Really? Like, instructions. This is the, what I assume is the USB charger. This is a little metal stick. I don't know what that is. Oh, and I have some replacement little propellers in here and the 3.7V Li battery. Do I really want to read this? Parking apron? Okay. I'm already stressed out. 10 flight adjustments. Guys, I mean, if you ever thought in your life that you could not do something like at all, like fly a drone, I'm with you. I'm really overwhelmed right now. Okay, let's open this. Now I need a tiny little star screwdriver. Please hold. That's funny, Rossi's just like sitting there. All right, let's open this up. Now what? This is a little tiny battery that it comes with. It has a little thing that you plug in. See how here it has like a gap? And then here it has, I guess, where I put the clip. Put the battery inside the little belly of this. Then there is a switch here that says on and off. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. All right, it lit up. On one side it's green, on the other side it's red. I'm going to try to get it on a level ground. Level ground meaning I'm gonna sit it on this box so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, can I just try this? I pressed that button, it's the on button, and it just beeped. I know, Rossi, I got scared too. But what did the control, what do I do? Direction is my right hand. How do I turn this on? I'm just gonna do like I do when I play video games and press everything at the same time. Can you help me with this? Okay, hold on. I need to put the dogs away because they are not gonna have it. Now I don't even know what I did. Oh, my heart. Okay. As you may already notice, today is day 2. Yesterday when I was filming this video, for some reason I got it up and going once by accident because I obviously did not know what I was doing. But remember, there's always a first time, and it's my first time, and for some reason I wanted to share that with you. This charger that it came with ends up charging this tiny little battery that goes inside of the drone, so just connect it. My issue yesterday ended up being that this did not have enough battery to get it up and going. So it was nothing wrong with it in particular, just that it needed to be charged. So I went ahead and I charged it. This is mine. Just comes with this. Let's give it another shot. Just tuck the battery in to the belly of it. Here it goes. The key is, for all of you that have never played with a drone, first turn this little guy on, it's gonna blink. Then you wanna turn on the control, and the way that it pairs is that the left handle, you just slowly bring it forward. So that's what gives it the zing thing. And then this other one on the right gives it direction. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to really practice. I just wanted to get it going. So let's try this. First, let's turn them on. See it blinking? Turn it on. Hear the beep. And then, oh shit! Come here, come back, come back! It took off, yay! Maybe it has too much battery now. Do people name their drones? I feel like I should name this one. Let's just try and have it float up. I'm not gonna try and move it anywhere. Let's slowly. No, come back! Everyone has to be better than I am because I'm horrible. But come back! So the awesome thing about this to learn is the fact that it has this little cage, so you can bump into everything and it won't mess anything up. Woo. Let's try it from here. Better. It's going up and down! I got it. Come. All right. Remember, make sure you turn everything off. Turn this control off so that you don't waste any battery. That is it. There we go. My first drone ever. It makes a lot of sense to have this cage because I would have already probably gotten it stuck in my hair. I think it's a lot of fun and I totally recommend it. I'll leave the link on this little guy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it helped. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comments, or if you have any names that you think I should name my first drone, go ahead and leave it in the comments section. And I hope to see you guys again next time.